Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a beautiful coaster that's both functional and stylish. This coaster is perfect for protecting your tables and adding a handmade touch to your home decor. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this tutorial will guide you through every step with easy to follow instructions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. Now, let's get started. To begin, make a magic ring. If you're new to magic rings, take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers, and pull through a loop. Now, crochet 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. Once you have 12, pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Great job! This will form the base of our coaster. Take your time with this round. If you find your ring too loose, you can pull the tail a little more to tighten it up. Keep your stitches even for a smooth foundation. For round 2, chain 1, then single crochet into the first stitch. Next, chain 3. Repeat this pattern. 1 single crochet, 3 chains, 12 times around. This will create little chain loops all around. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet to finish the round. You're doing amazing. If your loops are too tight, try to keep a relaxed tension to make the next row easier to work into. For round 3, start by chaining 6. This will count as a double crochet plus 3 chains. Then, double crochet into the next chain space. Now, repeat 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet in each chain space from the previous round. Do this 11 times in total. To finish, slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 6. Look at your coaster taking shape. If your stitches feel too tight, try using a larger hook. Or if they're too loose, adjust your tension slightly. Now for round 4, single crochet between 2 double crochets, then chain 2. Next, make 2 unfinished double crochets in the previous round's chain space. This means you start the stitch but don't finish it until both are on the hook. Then pull through all loops. Chain 2 again. Repeat this pattern 12 times around. Slip stitch to close the round. This round adds some lovely texture. Take your time with the unfinished double crochets. They might feel tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it. Time to add a new color. Attach your new yarn and chain 2. Then double crochet into the same space. Chain 3. Now make 2 unfinished double crochets followed by 3 chains. Next, repeat 2 unfinished DC, 3 CH, 2 unfinished DC, 3 CH around the entire coaster. You should have 11 sets. Slip stitch to finish. Color changes make your coaster pop. If you struggle with switching yarns, just knot them securely at the back and weave in the ends neatly later. Final round. Change yarn again and start with a single crochet. Now, in the next space, make 1 double crochet, followed by a picot stitch. Chain 3, then slip stitch back into the top of the double crochet. Repeat this 5 times in the same space. Now, single crochet into the next space and repeat this pattern 12 times around. Slip stitch to close. This round adds a delicate lace-like edge to your coaster. If your picot stitches feel too loose, try pulling the thread a little tighter when making them. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun crochet projects. I'd love to see your finished coasters, so tag me on social media or leave a comment below. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video.